Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a free dropshipping store. There is no PayPal, no credit card, it is 100% free. And unlike other companies, with this company when you register for a free plan, it is free for life. There is no free trial. And also, unlike other companies where when you register for a free plan, you have to use their own subdomain, with this company you can use your own custom domain. And it is cheaper than other competitors, it is available worldwide, and it is really easy to make these stores. Even if you are absolute beginner, you can make your store in just 5, 10, maybe even 20 minutes. But it is really easy, and I'm going to show you step by step how to make these stores. So without further ado, let me just jump on my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, company that we are going to use is called Big Cartel, and this is their homepage. And when you scroll here you can see their plans. They have 2 paid plans and 1 free plan, and we need a free plan. And here you can see what we are getting with the free plan. Here you can see you can add 1 image per product, free customizable themes, sell online in person, real-time stats, and so on and so on. And with the free plan you can actually add only 5 products, but that is actually fine because many of these dropshippers actually make 1 product stores, and they're making good money with those 1 product stores. So what you need to do, you need to click here on sign up for free. Here you need to add your email address, your password, your shop name, your shop URL. Your shop URL will have Big Cartel subdomain, but don't worry, I will show you later how you can add your custom domain. And just click here on sign up and you will sign up. And this is how your dashboard will look like. And obviously first thing we need to do, we need to design our shop. So click here on design shop. And as you can see, I named my store Men's Corner because I'm a man, so it made sense to me. And here you can see some basic information, and here you can set up your payment. You can set up Stripe or you can set up PayPal. Now with Stripe you can add directly credit card, but that's actually not important because with PayPal you can also add a credit card. So I actually recommend to add a PayPal as a payment option to your store. Now what we need to do, we need to click here on design to design our shop. So this is how our store looks. We don't have any products yet because we are just creating our store. And you can actually edit everything here. Here you can add header image, just click here and upload header image. Here you can add background image, here you can add slideshow, you can add slides for all 5 products. Because we are using free plan, we can add only 5 products, and that is why we can add only 5 images. Just click here and upload 5 images for 5 products. Here you can change background, secondary background, primary text, and so on and so on. Here you can change font, here you can change announcement text, and so on and so on. You can also add additional pages. Here you can see some pages already exist. You need these pages here, products, contact, and cart. And you can actually change these pages. Just click here on pages, and you can add more pages to your website, to your shop. You can also access code, but if you don't want this theme here, what you can do is you can simply click here on themes and you can choose different theme. Here you can see available themes plan. Just scroll through these themes and select one that you like. So let's say I wish to use this one here, for example. Just click here on use theme and give it a second, and as you can see it's changed theme. And after you finish everything, after you are satisfied how everything looks, just click here on publish, click OK, and that's it. And when you click here, you can access different pages on your shop. For example, when I click here on products, I can access products page and I can change this page. Here you can see how your website looks on desktop, on tablet, and on phone. And now just click here on exit and then go on your dashboard. Now we designed our shop, now we need to connect payment processors. Just click here on connect payment processors, and as I already mentioned, you can connect Stripe and PayPal, but I would recommend to connect PayPal as your payment processor. Now here you can see orders, because this is a new store, there is no orders yet, as you can see here. Now we need to add a product, so just click here on products and click here add a new product. Now I already found the product that I wish to dropship on Etsy. I like Etsy because products from Etsy you can find only on Etsy and nowhere else. And most of these products are actually handmade and unique. So like I said, let's say I wish to promote this product here. Groomsmen suspenders, leather suspenders. So when I go back on my shop, first thing I need to do, I need to add a product name. So for this example, I will just copy this here, for example, Control C, and I will go back here, click here and I will paste the name of my product. Here I need to add description, so I can go back here, I will scroll here and I will click learn more about this item. And for this example, again, I can just copy this, but I would advise you to actually rewrite this to change a bit and not just to copy and paste. Like I said, I'm just copying and pasting this for the purpose of this video. Just go back here and paste that here. Here you can add category, so just click here on this plus. Now I didn't made any categories, so I can just click here, manage categories, add a category, and I can name the categories. So let's say, for example, suspenders, and click here, save, and I can add more categories. I can add category t-shirts, I can add category mugs, I can add categories hoodies, and so on and so on. And then click here, done, and that's it. Status active. Now this is actually what I like about this. When you run out of the item, when everything is sold, you can actually just click here on sold out or coming soon, or just hide that product from the store. And when you just add this product, it will obviously be active. So choose active. Here you can add price. When we go back, price is $12. So I can say, for example, let's say $18. Okay. And here you can add additional options. Here you can add shipping. Now on Etsy you can see some basic shipping information, as you can see here, but I would advise you to actually contact your supplier and ask for shipping rates, and then go back here and add your shipping rates. Now this is US tax code. You don't really need to do anything here if you don't live in the United States, and you actually need to add a photo of that product. So I will go back on Etsy and let's say I will download this photo here. So just right click here and click save image as, and save this image on my desktop. Now on a free plan you can add only one image per product, and to add photo just click here on this plus and find the photo that you downloaded, and you will actually need to convert that photo because it will be HTML file, so you need to convert it in either PNG or JPEG. Give it a few seconds to upload that photo. Okay, it uploaded photo and this is how it looks. After you finish everything, just check it out again and then just click here on save, and that's it. You will add your first item to your first product to your shop. It's that easy. And you have another option here, discounts. Now that is also really important. People like discounts, and when you click here you can choose different discounts, discount codes, and the description. And you can add when customer orders anything, just click here and here you can see more options. Give them a free shipping on their entire order, starting now, expiring never. And you can choose different options here. Just click here, it will open drop down menu, choose these options, click save, and that's it. And then just go back here on your dashboard, and here you can see what you finished. As you can see here, add product completed, designer shop completed. I didn't connect my payment processors, I will do that later. And here you can set up your shipping. Just click here on set up shipping, and you need to set up shipping for everything. Just scroll here and just click here to set up your shipping. And like I said, you need to contact your supplier and ask them for shipping rates, and then just go back on your Big Cartel store and add your shipping rates and save those shipping rates, and that's it. Now, good thing about Big Cartel is you can actually add your custom domain on a free plan. So what you need to do, you need to go back on your account, and then you need to scroll here and you need to click here, edit your shop info. Just click here. And here you can see add a custom domain. Click here and you can use Google domains. Now as you can see, this doesn't work in my country, so it doesn't matter. I can actually add my own domain. Just click here how to connect your custom domain, and you can connect your custom domain that you register on Namecheap, on GoDaddy, HostGator, or wherever you registered your domain name, and connect the domain name, your custom domain name, with your shop, and then click here on done, and that's it. You will add your custom domain on your free Big Cartel dropshipping store. And here you can set up your time zone and you can set up your currency. After you finish everything, you can just click here on save, and that's it. You will save your settings. But we actually didn't finish. We made our store, but we didn't publish our store. So what you need to do, you need to go back on your dashboard and you need to scroll here and you need to click here, launch your shop. Click here and then click here on launch, and that's it. You will launch your first dropshipping store totally free. You will only pay for your custom domain. It doesn't matter if you don't have custom domain, you can use their own subdomain, as you can see here. Because I didn't add my custom domain, they actually gave me their subdomain, as you can see here, manscorner.bigcartel.com. That is the domain name of my store. So all I have to do now is just click here on done, and that's it. I made my store. This is a back office of my store. As you can see, 0 views, 0 sold, revenue is 0 because this is a new store. That is why I didn't make any sales. And like I said, when you scroll here on the top, you can track your orders here and you can manage your orders here. But again, this is a new store. That is why there is no sales yet. So now I can actually go on my account, click here on account, and I can click here on the domain name of my store to check it out to see how my store looks like. This is the homepage of my store. This is my product, and this is the title of that product. When I click on it, I will open this product. This is the photo, and here you can see title, here you can see description, here you can see price is $18. It is automatically in dollars because we set it up to be in dollars, but you can also set it up in euros and other currencies. And then just click here on add cart and you will add this product to your cart and people can buy this product. Of course, like I said, you need to set up your payment processor so people can pay for this product. As you can see, this really is beginner friendly. You can make your first dropshipping store in just 10 minutes. It's that easy. Okay, maybe if you're an absolute beginner, maybe it will need you 20-25 minutes. But it really is that easy. You really can make your dropshipping store, your first dropshipping store in just 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. Totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.